You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, along with additional resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my own experience using Fundera. Fundera, a streamlined business loan marketplace, my experience. Fundera simplifies the often complex process of securing business financing. Acting as a marketplace, Fundera connects small business owners with a diverse network of lenders, offering a one-stop shop for exploring various loan options. This eliminates the need to apply individually to numerous lenders, saving you valuable time and effort. One of Fundera's key strengths is its comprehensive loan marketplace. It provides access to a broad spectrum of financing options, including SBA loans, term loans, lines of credit, equipment financing, invoice factoring, and more. This variety caters to a wide range of business needs, whether you're seeking working capital, planning for expansion, or need to purchase inventory. The application process is remarkably efficient. By completing a single application, you can receive multiple loan offers, often within just 24 hours. Fundera prioritizes transparency, providing clear and detailed information about each loan option. This includes interest rates, repayment terms, and any associated fees, empowering you to make informed decisions about your financing. To further assist you, Fundera assigns a dedicated loan specialist. This expert guidance helps you navigate the loan selection process and identify the best option aligned with your specific business goals and financial situation. Fundera's diverse lender network makes it particularly well-suited for small businesses with varying financial needs and credit profiles. Even businesses with limited credit history can explore potential funding options through alternative lenders within the network. Established businesses with stronger credit profiles can access competitive rates and terms through traditional bank and SBA loan options. It's important to note that Fundera operates as a marketplace, not a direct lender. This means the final loan terms, fees, and approval process are determined by the specific lender you choose through the platform. Thoroughly reviewing the details of each loan offer is crucial to ensure it aligns with your business needs and cash flow projections. In summary, Fundera provides an excellent platform for business owners seeking a simplified and efficient way to compare and secure the right loan. Its extensive range of loan products, personalized support from dedicated loan specialists, and commitment to transparency make it a valuable resource for small businesses seeking funding. Check out the links in the description to learn more about Fundera and discover the optimal funding solution for your business. This review is designed to provide you with the information you need to determine if Fundera is the right fit for your financial requirements.